Hey guys, Miss Bloodworth here with another step in our recipe project. So yesterday, if you clicked on the link I posted in Google Classroom or on my YouTube video, I showed you guys how to find the unit rate of your recipes. And what we're going to do with that unit rate is we're going to turn that into our class rate. So here's what I did. On your guys' packet that I gave you, I showed you this example yesterday. So my original recipe that serves 5 people, it says it takes 2 cups of sugar to make cookies. So what I did to find the proportional unit rate was to divide 2 by 5. I end up getting the fraction 2/5 a cup of sugar per person. So that means if I were to make 1 cookie for 1 person, I'd have 2/5 cup of sugar to make for 1 person. Okay, so what I did was I'm going to scoot on over to my sketch pad because this is what it showed us. Okay. For a different problem. It was for this one. With a 1/4 tablespoon of vegetable oil divided by 5 would give us 1/20. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do with this number today is now that we found it in the unit rate, which means 1, we're going to multiply this number by the amount of people in your class. So 30, for example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 120 times 30, and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to show you my math for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 30 because it's a whole number. 30 goes on top, the number 1 goes in the bottom. So we're going to multiply straight across. We have 30 on the top, 30 times 1 is 30, and 20 times 1 is 20. And now we have an improper fraction. So now I have to turn this into a proper fraction. So what I'm going to do is, again, change my little thingamahoo. And I'm going to put 20 on the inside, or sorry, outside, and 30 on the inside. Okay? 20 goes into 30 once. And then we have a remainder of 10. Okay? So in order to make this to a mixed fraction, this becomes my first number. This becomes my top number, and this, the 20, becomes my denominator. But I know I can simplify it. So if I divide the top and bottom both by 10, I'm going to end up getting 1 1/2. Okay? So what, if I were you, and if you have something crazy complicated like mine, you need to make sure that when you go back into your little sheet here, that you are writing down, here we go, that you're writing down all your math for this, first of all, and then that you put 1 1/2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Okay, so here's why. When you get your recipe down to how it serves for 1 person, it's easier to multiply. Now, or we could have done that, or we could have taken our 1/4 cup, since I took 5 people to serve it, or it's for 5 people. I could have multiplied 5 by whatever number to get to 30. But because we did the unit rate, it saves us some time, and we'll just do this. Okay? So again, if you have any questions on how to do this, please message me. Don't ever feel afraid to reach out. Happy to help if I can. Hopefully this video helped enough. If you have any questions, message me. Otherwise, have a great day. See you in class tomorrow.